Ever wonder how to create a full AI-powered animation story video from script writing to AI voiceovers, image generation and advanced animation? I will show you the entire process step by step. And the best part, you don't need any expensive software or animation skills. Stick around and by the end of this video tutorial, you will be able to create amazing AI generated story videos just like this. Whether you are a beginner or looking to make better AI videos, this tutorial will help you step by step. So let's dive in. At first, I used ChatGPT to generate the story script. I simply describe my idea. I tell ChatGPT, give me an adventure story for kids where a frog will appear. And ChatGPT wrote a complete script for me. It even suggests engaging dialogues and storytelling animation elements. You can talk the script until it matches your vision. Next, I need a voiceover, and instead of recording it manually, I used Play.ht, a website that provides realistic AI voiceovers. You can use 11 Labs as well. But from here, you can choose different voices, just adjust the speed and add any emotion to make it sound more natural. Example, you can listen this audio from, here is a sample, how it sounds.
Hey, how you doing? I'm always here to chat if you need me.
Okay, so it looks more realistic voice, right? Okay. Now for visuals, I need beautiful scenes. I used Lumens and Leonardo AI to generate high quality images for each scene. I asked ChatGPT to give me image ideas. Minimum get 30 to 50 image ideas for a video, so it will give you more visual. Suppose here I simply describe what I wanted, like Freddy the Frog looking at the golden bell in a glowing swamp, and this Lumen and Leonardo AI gave me this beautiful picture. So what you need is the detailed prompt. If you use, you get a better output for your image. To bring everything together, I used CapCut, a free and easy video editor. Even if you want, you can use Camtasia, Adobe Premiere, Filmora, it's up to you. I sync the voiceover with the images, add transitions and include sound effects to make the story come alive. To take the video into the next level, I used Hellowe AI. This website that brings AI-generated images to life. Instead of static image, my characters now moving, making the story more dynamic and engaging. You can see here the before and after of this scene, how it shows as an image or as animation. After finalizing everything, I exported the video in high quality. That's it. A full AI-powered animation story video is ready.
Once upon a time, in the heart of a sparkling green swamp, lived a curious little frog named Freddy. Freddy wasn't like the other frogs who spent their days hopping from lily pad to lily pad or catching flies. Freddy dreamed of adventure. One sunny morning, Freddy noticed something shiny on the far side of the swamp. It glittered like a tiny star. "I must find out what that is," Freddy exclaimed. "But Freddy," said his friend Sally the snail, "no frog has ever hopped that far. It's too dangerous. I'll be the slippery rocks," and through a field of buzzing dragonflies. Along he met Newt and Bella the butterfly branch. At sound, and so you've unlocked the swamp's secret treasure, said a wise old turtle. Treasure is your courage, big things. From that day on, Freddy became the bravest frog in the swamp. All the other animals to all the
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want more AI videos, tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.